Good day to everyone. Today I will be going to discuss to you my lab activity 3.1. So our first task is to create a database and tables. So I create here a database and I rename it as BagonDB. And our next task is to create tables wherein we're going to uh, re- create the following tables with employee columns and employee ID with the data types of in primary key and first name of varchar, last name of varchar, and department of varchar, and also the salary integer. So next is updating the and deleting the data. So here I insert some values with the corresponding data types that we have given here in the create table employees. So we have 10 values here and 10 different specific values with their specific name and department and also their salary. So next task is to um, aggregation and sorting of the values. So here we write a SQL queries to find the total number of the employees in the company and also the number of employees in each department and also the average salary of employees in the company. And for our sorting, so here we retrieve the employees table and sort them alphabetically by their last names and retrieve employees and sort them by their salaries in descending order. So here, when we run the program, as you can see, we have the result wherein we have analyst, we have one analyst, two finance employee, and for transfer is one, and human resource is three. Also, the operation IT is one, and operations management is one. So, as you can see, the values here is sorted in their salary income by their department. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you po.